What is this? You are all here, but no one is together.
Everyone, put your screens down, right now.
Why did you turn the TV off? We were watching that!
I only have 10 more minutes of work.
10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. That is what this family always says.
Mom, why are you so angry?
Because I am tired of seeing this house full of people and still feeling alone.
I did not know you felt like that.
That is the problem. You did not know. No one knew.
I did not see it, Mom. I am sorry.
We did not see how much you were carrying alone.
I feel like I am only here to work. No one helps me, and no one gives me time. I do not need big things. I just need help. And a little time with my family.
We can help, Mom. We can start now.
Yes, Mom. Tell us what to do first.
Yes, this is not fair. We need a reason.
Even now, you still do not see it.
I was only checking one message.
That is exactly how it always starts. One screen, one message, one more minute. Mom, has it really been this bad for that long?
Yes. I think it started slowly and then it became normal.
I did not see it happening. I thought we were just tired and busy.
This is what I mean.
He really left.
This is why I could not stay quiet anymore.
Emma will be even more angry now. I should not have left the table. I need to go back.
From tonight, no more screen time after dinner.
Every night? No screens at all?
Yes. Dinner is for this family, not for screens. Mom, you cannot make a big rule like this and say nothing more. You will get a reason, but not tonight. First, I want you to sit here and feel this moment.
Emma, maybe a little more explanation would help.
No, not tonight. Tonight, I want everyone to notice something.
Notice what?
Notice how quiet this family becomes when the screens are gone. What is going on with Mom tonight?
I do not know. This feels bigger than dinner.
Do you think she saw me using the tablet late at night?
Maybe. Or maybe she saw my phone under the blanket. So we are both in trouble? I do not know. That is the worst part. This feels like the biggest punishment for me. I still want to play my game right now. Stop. Do not say that so loudly. Mom might hear you.
I do not understand her. She was angry but also sad. This is not only a rule. I think something is really wrong. I want to play now. I really want to play. But if Mom finds out, she will get even more angry.
Are you serious? This is the worst time to do that.
I know, but I really want to play. Just for a few minutes.
Oh no. Brother, turn it off right now. Wait, just 1 minute. I am in the middle of the game.
No, brother. Give it to me before Mom comes.
No, I can finish this fast. Just a little more.
I will check now. I want to see if both of you are really asleep or not.
Are you both asleep already?
You both look tired. Did you sleep late again?
I am fine. I just do not like mornings.
I slept enough. That is exactly the problem. I think is not the same as I did.
Is this about sleep?
It is about more than sleep.
Then help us understand how to fix it.
Ben was playing at night. He heard my footsteps, turned it off, and pretended to sleep. I felt like a fool.
Mom, I didn't know you saw that. I am really sorry, Mom.
I did not want to catch you, Ben. I wanted to trust you. It is time for school. Hurry up. The bus will be here soon.
Oh no, I forgot about the bus.
Come on. We need to move now. Can you read the next line for us, please? That is okay, but you seem very tired today.
Did you sleep late again? Maybe. Or maybe sleep just does not like me. Yes, a little. I did not sleep very well last night.
All right. Please sit down. We will continue. I need my phone for homework. My partner is waiting for my message. You may use it for 10 minutes for school, and then you give it back.
So the rule is not really a rule.
It is a rule about screen time, not important work.
That still sounds unfair.
Open the door, please.
Just 1 minute.
No. Open it now.
I was not doing anything bad. I only wanted a little time.
A little time turns into a lot of time every night.
I was bored.
That is not the real reason. Try again. I got messages from school. One teacher said someone looked half asleep in class. Another said homework was late again. You saw that? Yes. And I also see this house every evening. We sit together, but no one is really here.
We are in the same room, but not in the same moment.
You could have told us earlier.
I thought you were just angry. I am not only angry, I am worried.
We all need better balance. Not punishment, balance. Let us do one thing. Everyone says one honest sentence.
Fine. I am angry.
I am embarrassed.
I am worried that we stop talking.
When it gets quiet, I do not know what to do.
Better today? Yes, I slept earlier. It shows.
I still miss my game.
Missing something does not mean it controls you.
That sounds like something adults say when they hide snacks.
Please do not tell me there is another rule.
No, this time it is a surprise. I had a plan. If we finish this week well, we will have one full family day outside. No screens.
No rush, just us.
I am not saying screens are bad. I am saying our family needs limits.
I still want my phone.
I still want my games.
And you can still have them, just not all the time.
Then, let us make the new rule together. No screens after dinner, unless it is schoolwork.
And maybe one family movie night on the weekend? Deal!
That sounds like a family rule, not a punishment.
Thank you for being with our family today.
Please like, subscribe, and keep learning English with us.